How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Zach. So let's say your iPhone gets wet, and I mean really wet. So let's say you dropped it in water, or you submerged it in water or in any other liquid. Do you know what's the best thing you can do? That's actually ejecting the water. Just like your Apple Watch has this feature where you can play a tone and it will automatically eject the water from the speakers, you can do the exact same thing right here on your iPhone. And today, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it's actually super easy and free. So let's get started, because we're gonna do it by using the Shortcuts app. This application right here, we're gonna create a new shortcut, a new automation that will allow us to do exactly that. So in order to do it, all you gotta do is open up Safari, and then we're gonna go to this website, which is shortcutsgallery.com, and we're gonna get this shortcut, which is called Water Eject. Great name, huh? So I'll have a link in the description. So you're gonna click on that link and go straight to this page on your iPhone. And then all you gotta do is get this shortcut. But before you get it, I do recommend that you actually go ahead, go back to your settings, and then scroll down to shortcuts, because most people haven't done this before, and then go to shortcuts and then allow untrusted shortcuts. Again, if that's the first time you do this, it'll be grayed out, just like on my iPhone right here. If you have done this before and this is already on, you can skip those steps. But again, I'm just showing you for everyone, because I want to make sure everyone gets this right. So if it's grayed out, it means that you have never used the Shortcuts app before. So all you gotta do is go back to your Shortcuts app, and then you're gonna need to create a shortcut, or actually just add a shortcut very easily and just use it once, just to enable that feature. And then you're gonna go to the bottom right corner called Gallery, and then you can tap on any shortcut, any pre-created shortcut, and then go ahead and create a name. So you're gonna need to name it. So you can just put like A, for example, done, and then add to Siri. And then as you can see, it was added. So right now on all your shortcuts, we have that shortcut right here. And then you just need to play it once, and then that's it. So now it's enabled, and now you can actually go back to settings, and then as you can see, allow untrusted shortcuts is available to us. So you can just enable that and allow, and now we're good to go. Of course, you're gonna need to type in your passcode. My passcode is super hard, as you can see, and then we are ready. So now we can come back to Safari. Everything is enabled, everything is ready, and now we can come back to Safari and get shortcut. And as you can see, it just work it just for a few seconds, and then it's right here at shortcut. You can scroll all the way down, and you will need to scroll down a bit, as you guys can see, and then add untrusted shortcut. That's it. It was added. Water Eject is right here. And you may be thinking, oh, Daniel, but I don't really feel comfortable about adding an untrusted shortcut. I didn't really like that. Guys, please trust me, there's no problem with that. All that prompt is saying, all that warning is saying, is that that shortcut was not created manually by you or added via the gallery, like this one, which was added straight from the gallery. The Water Eject shortcut is actually a third-party shortcut, but that's it, guys. No risk, no problem. And then we can finally get started. So get it wet, and then take it out, and then okay, and then hit play, and then begin water ejection. And then as you can see, water just bubbles out of the speakers. It just definitely is getting ejected because of that sound. Okay guys, so that's actually pretty much it. Again, this is not a miracle. This won't save you 100%. Again, water will come out from the speakers. This tone will actually eject water from the speakers, so it will not eject from every single port and hole of the iPhone, like for example, the charging port or anything like that. So it is not a completely miracle solution, but it will definitely help you out so much. On top of that, if your iPhone gets really wet, what I do recommend, and this doesn't come from me, it comes straight from Apple, is that you don't charge your iPhone for at least 5 hours. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below, and also the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And also, please leave your comment down below. I always do appreciate your feedback. All right? So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on my next video as usual. Bye bye.